Conquering continuous. Irregular verbs in the present continuous tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a fascinating part of English grammar: the present continuous tense with irregular verbs. This might sound challenging, but no worries. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure it's as clear as possible. So, buckle up, grab your notes, and let's dive in. Before we delve into irregular verbs, let's quickly remind ourselves of what the present continuous tense is. This tense is used to describe actions happening right now, or situations that are ongoing. The structure is fairly simple. It's formed by using the present tense of the verb, to be, am, is, are, followed by the ing form of the main verb. So, for regular verbs, we would say, I am playing, you are eating, he is reading, etc. Next, let's understand what we mean by irregular verbs. In English, most verbs are regular and follow the same pattern for past tense and past participle forms. However, some verbs are unique. They don't follow these rules, and they're what we call irregular verbs. Examples of irregular verbs include go, be, see, have, do, etc. Each of these has a different past tense and past participle form, like went for go, was for be, saw for see, etc. But don't worry, in the present continuous tense, even irregular verbs follow a regular pattern. Now, let's put these two concepts together: irregular verbs in the present continuous tense. The fantastic news is that even though the base verb may be irregular, when using it in the present continuous tense, the form is predictable. Just as with regular verbs, you use the present tense of to be, followed by the verb plus ing. So, even our irregular verbs follow this pattern. I am going, you are being, he is seeing, etc. It's important to note that not all verbs are used in the continuous tense. Verbs of perception, cognition, and emotion are often exceptions, like believe, love, see, hear, etc. Now it's time to practice. The best way to understand and internalize irregular verbs in the present continuous tense is through repeated practice. Write sentences, use them in your daily conversations, or think about what you are doing during the day in English. For example, I am seeing a movie tonight. She is being very kind to me. We are having dinner at a fancy restaurant. We hope that this video has made the topic of present continuous tense with irregular verbs clearer for you. Remember, mastering a language comes with practice, so don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep trying. You're doing great. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying your English language journey. Happy learning!